this is our bloom, Vital Bloom. Vital Bloom has a 2 in the nitrogen to constantly give you some good little mild source of nitrogen as you're feeding your flowering plants, a 5 in the phosphorus, and a 1 in the potassium. So you're looking at a nice source of phosphorus that can be fed many times. We find this to be very effective when growing flowers or fruits of any kind. So the fish hydrolysate is also a product that will not only feed your plant, but feed the microbes in the soil. Very important how we run our program here. We do mix the recommended measured amount of these products per gallon of water. So this is 5 gallons I'm doing right here. And we mix them all together. So you do not need to feed that separately from your baseline and your GalMag. We want to see people mix all of these together, and then when your plants are flowering, you'll pull that vegetative out of there and mix all these together per gallon of water. Our line right here is very beneficial for many different situations of cultivation. They are low salts so that you can feed more often, which we find that if the plant has more available food, it will eat little bits at a time and always be eating food and getting nice and strong for you to produce beautiful flowers and fruits.